Welcome to the world of oceanic volcanic islands, nature's dramatic masterpieces. These islands tell the story of our planet's fiery origins. Rising straight from the ocean, they emerge majestically like ancient sentinels. Sculpted by volcanic eruptions, they showcase nature's raw power. Did you know Hawaii's Big Island grows by 42 acres every year? Lava flows create new land, reshaping the landscape. Surtsey in Iceland was born in days during underwater eruptions. These islands are biodiversity hotspots. Many species, like the Galapagos tortoise, exist nowhere else. Volcanic islands offer unforgettable adventures. Subscribe to Small Description for more travel stories. Explore the world with us. Subscribe now.